Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss what exactly is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript. I have found this blog post by FreeCodeCamp is quite helpful to understand what exactly is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript. Okay, so you might have heard about JavaScript and ECMAScript terms. So in this video, we will discuss hey, what exactly are those? So if I just go down a little bit, then we have this one. So here, what exactly is the ECMA International? So ECMA International is an organization that creates standards for technologies. Okay. Then we have ECMA 262. So this is a standard published by the ECMA International. It contains the specification for general purpose scripting language. Okay. And then if we just scroll down a little bit more, then what exactly is the scripting language? So scripting language is a programming language that is designed specifically for acting on an existing entity or system. Okay. Now, what exactly is ECMAScript? The ECMAScript is the specification defined in ECMA 262 for creating a general purpose scripting language. Okay, so ECMAScript is the specification. Okay, and then if we scroll down a little bit, then what exactly is JavaScript? So JavaScript is a general purpose scripting language that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. So basically ECMAScript is the specification and JavaScript is a general purpose scripting language that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. Okay. So basically this is the difference between ECMAScript and JavaScript. And there are many of the things here as well, a JavaScript engine and so on and so forth. But this blog post is quite useful to understand what exactly is the difference between the JavaScript and ECMAScript. Now you might have heard about TC39 as well. So what exactly TC39? So ECMA International's TC39 is a group of JavaScript developers, implementers, and academics and more, basically collaborating with the community to maintain and evolve the definition of JavaScript. So JavaScript is a continuously evolving language, and TC39 is the core team of developers who are basically evolving the definition of JavaScript. Okay. So you might have heard about ES6, ES 2020, ES 2022, and so on and so forth. So basically for each of the generations, the specification of the JavaScript is now updated and the core team behind that is TC39. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So I will link up this blog post and the TC39 website inside of the description of my video. Okay, so I hope that makes sense and you are now having the better understanding what exactly is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript.